Hello students, good morning. So today our subject is English written, okay? And today we will do story time. Today we will do in Creeper book open page number 3636, okay? Creeper book open page number 3636. See, you can see here. It's a story. You can see drawing here. Can you say which animal is there? Dog, and he had a piece of bone. So this is the story of the greedy dog. We already learned this greedy dog. In our GK story subject we already learned. So you can understand very well easily. Okay, see what is this? See the first picture. You can see here one dog is there and he had a piece of bone in his mouth and he crossing a river. Then after he looked into the water and he saw another dog holding a piece of bone. Actually he thought that is another dog, but it's not another dog. It's a reflection of the dog. It's not another dog, but he thought that it is another dog holding a piece of bone. So the dog is very greedy. So he thought the dog was very greedy. So he thought that I want this second bone. So then after he's starting to bark at the dog. Bow, bow, bow. Like this way he's starting to bark at the dog. And then after his mouth is open and the piece of bone fell down into water. Understood? The piece of bone fell down into water. Then after he understood that it is not another dog, it is a me only, it is a reflection of itself. It is not another dog. So the piece of bone fell down into water. Now the dog have nothing to eat. So now he can understood that we should not much more greedy. You can see here now dog have nothing to eat. So from this story what we learn? We learn that we must not be greedy. Okay? Whatever we have to happy in this. We should not must be greedy. It is the dog also learn from this. See, it's a oral work only. So it's oral only. Okay. Our first question is, what was the dog holding in his mouth? What was the dog holding in his mouth? You can see here. What was the dog holding in his mouth? What is this? This is piece of bone. So the dog was holding a piece of bone in his mouth. Okay. Next one is, what did he see in the water? What did he see in the water? He see another dog. Actually he thought it is another dog, but it's not another dog. It's a reflection of dog. But he saw another dog in the water. Third one, what did he think? What did he think? He thought that it's another dog, and he had also piece of bone. So I want second one bone also. I want this bone also. He thought that I want second bone also, and he must be too greedy. Fourth one, was there another dog in the water? Was there another dog in the water? You can see here, another dog is in the water. No, there is no another dog in the water. It's only reflection of the dog. It's not another dog. Fifth one is, what is the moral of the story? What you learn from this story? What you learn? We learn that we must not be greedy. Whatever we have to happy in this. We should not too much greedy in any kind of things. Okay, we should learn that we must not be greedy. Hope you very well understand this story. Okay, now we will do letter, capital letter. Okay, so let's start. So how to write P and Q? How to write P? It's a capital P. First you have to do one, then curve like this way, then after from here you have to D curve and small curve. What is this? Capital P. Capital P. Okay, then how to write Q? It's the same one. First you have to do circle. Then from here you have to do like this way, waves. Okay, capital Q. See, in line, 4 line. So from here you have to start and up to this you have to do. Capital P. P for parrot, and capital Q. Capital Q. Understood? Okay. So now let's do in our book. Keep your 4-line book open. This page, mention here date 28 April. Okay. Write here HW. P, capital P. First you have to do one, then after curve, from here you have to D curve and then small curve. Capital P. Okay. This first page, it is in your homework. Then Q. It's very simple. First you have to make circle, then from here you have to do waves. Capital Q. Capital Q. Okay. So this capital P and capital Q, it is in your homework. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.